I know that this morning I'm talking to my dad in Jersey, and it's the same temperature. But I can guarantee you it doesn't feel the same way. This is Vegas Christmas, baby. And that just says Christmas all over right here. I'm hoping to bump into a bunch more of these fantastically gorgeous sweaters. Did your mom make this?
Mother-in-law.
Your mother-in-law
Yeah.
made this? Fantastic. To all the mother-in-laws out there, we love you and your sweaters. This is your headlights to your tailpipes. Let's go look for some stories.
Some great cars here this morning.
All right,
Great
it's great
cars.
car show? All right, from the headlights to the tailpipes, there's fantastic stories. And this, I love this part because somebody's gonna tell you how to chrome out, how to dress up your car. Super simple. Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? Okay.
Okay, you need to personalize your car by taking all your stuff under the hood and chrome it all up. Make it look like it's your car with your personality in it. This car has got, you go online, you go onto different websites. West Coast Corvettes will show you all of the different kind of chrome that they could put on it. And then you pick out what you want, you take it to your local Corvette guy, and he'll put all this stuff on for you. This costs about $3,000 to do the engine compartment. And
It's pretty, it's shiny, and in about 20 years from now, it's me. This is me right here. I'm driving an old Vette, I'm shining it up, I'm dressing it up, and I'm hanging out with my buddies down here at the car show.
okay.
It's Headlights to Tailpipes. You are subscribing now.